There are two ways of looking at the world. You can focus on the surface and settle for an easy answer, or go beyond it and get to the bottom of things. Galvatek engineers and supplies automated surface treatment plants for the most demanding industries and environments in the world. What makes us different is our ability to customize each plant to fit perfectly, whatever the specific need may be. It requires extra effort in asking all the right questions, even the ones our customers didn't know existed. That's what going beyond surface treatment means to us. Our prime delivery type is a true turnkey delivery. It includes the whole process plant from the initial design down to the launch of the finished line, with all the necessary tanks, structures, and plant components. In our experience, making no compromises is the only way to design and build plants that not only exceed the expectations set upon them, but also have an operational lifetime for decades to come. And we believe this is also the reason why we've become the global leader in our field. Don't stop at the surface. Get the whole works. Galvatek, beyond surface treatment.